Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself, right? And that I have to get the civil justice without any delay in front of all nations, in front of entire human kingdom, and I'm providing ethical standards, right? Because I'm unemployed, I am in need of finance aid, right? So USA have to provide me the rightful salary, sign off the job offer, and all those tasks are the multitasking part. Okay, so I'll quickly read through this civil justice so that we all can be in the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is the Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So what is the scandal? The scandal is the faces of Republica Europe nations worldwide, and that is Republica prostitution, retirement loans nation, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and the true civil supreme civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution retirement loans nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution retirement loans nation, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Prostitution Retirement Loans Nations. So Republic of Prostitution Retirement Loans Nations created the robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. And it comes under the classification of the domestic violence, breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation of and injury, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. Then as of February 2021, civil justice sign-off to be served to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. So USA Prostitution Retirement Loans Nations with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,000+ since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, and also enforced finance disabled to I. Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly is crime for Republica Prostitution Retirement Loans Nations when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justice is I. Vedapriya Pro Se wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000+ and dollars and sign off tax-free $5,000, and USA Republica Prostitution Retirement Loans Nations must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types, wild, endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And I hope we are all in the same page on this regard. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I have to get the finance aid, I have to get the salary, I have to get all the rightful benefits, and I have to get the rightful job signed off, and yes, right, all in front of all nations and according to the Holy Bible, civil law guidelines only. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.